So we see Avalanche powering global adoption in a future that is faster. It's a place where anybody, a developer, a business, or an artist can create a new economy.
I mean, I'm super excited to be here, and I think one of my favorite things about being here right now is just how the Avalanche community puts things together. Everybody gets to kind of hang out and talk to each other, but it's still the same vibe.
It's not just a tool to deploy more EVMs, it's a tool to deploy any virtual machine.
And the thing that we're trying to achieve is a global, decentralized digital economy.
So it's always amazing to see great people who have same vision, same idea, and actually understand what blockchain and NFT is, and hearing and seeing especially their vision for the longer term.
One of the things that I find particularly attractive about Avalanche is the subnet architecture and how that allows teams to build application-specific chains that can have high throughput, but also have very fast finality.
The merge of public chains and private chains and the use of that infrastructure on the subnet level is very attractive to these studios that really want to control their IP.
And if you think about where blockchains are most effective, when you need simultaneous movement of information and it's amongst many, many participants, that's where blockchains can be extremely effective.
It's been a wonderful event filled with a lot of really good panels. I was glad to share the stage with a bunch of luminaries in our space.
Incredible event, great to be here and great to really connect with the community in person. We love everyone here at Avalanche and everyone's building something really cool.